Bard by Google has quickly taken hold as a significant challenger to ChatGPT. Bard has so many great reasons why you should learn and use this revolutionary AI service from Google. Google Bard, chatbots, machine learning, and AI are now must-have skills that companies are paying a premium to find expertise for. Getting enabled in these technical areas are a great way for you to get ahead of the competition. Bard is an incredible creation by Google that stems from the groundbreaking Lambda language model for dialogue applications technology they are using. Bard can write blog content, short stories, resumes, character biographies, provide usable computer code. Did you know, according to Business Insider, AI prompt engineer jobs can pay up to $375,000 a year and don't always require a background in tech? As a Bard AI professional, you will need to possess extensive knowledge of how to write questions and prose for AI chatbots to evaluate and improve their answers. With each AI course you progress through, you will prepare further to succeed in successfully obtaining the associated certification and/or to apply the critical skills you will need to succeed in your role in working with AI and Bard. Once you complete this Bard AI course, you will truly be prepared to take your place amongst the Bard AI experts in your organization. Let us help you get enabled on Google Bard, chatbots, and AI. So what are you waiting for? Let us get started.